ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kum Shibanta ban Ïada na ka jingya ta kho kali ka Chief Secretary jong ka jilna ka kong Rebecca V Suchiang ha ka khat arthar ko buna risaw arajar arpuway kalapalay Paidbah ye ka Integrated Road Accident Database ha ka jinyalang kabalalong ha Conference Hall jong ka Main Secretariat Shillong. Ka Integrated Road Accident Database kadai ka kor ka bor ka bayarap ya kitana try kam ba pher jong ka sarkar kum katanat pulit katanat Public Works Department katanat ka kot ka khia bad ki wei kitanat bakin dubla ban penrung ki jingtep ki ba bania lada jia ki no ki jingya ta kho kali ha ki banta ba pher jong ka jilla Yagani ka project la bay pisa daga World Bank but yaga bala punor long pat daga Ministry of Road Transport and Highway jong ka Sarkar India but la pentrai kampat daga NICSI but ka IIT Madras.
So this is the main portion of that Ïada.
I think India has the highest number of road accidents, followed by the US and China. I'll give you 2019 figures because 2020 figures are a little low because of lockdown and all that. So 2019 I think there are about 4.5 lakh cases of road accidents, of which I think 1.5 lakhs are accidents which has resulted in deaths. Same thing with our state of Meghalaya, road accidents. I think again I'm quoting 2019 because 2020 was slightly lower. 435 number of accident cases and 173 deaths. So this is quite a large number for a small state like us. And most of these deaths are, due to speeding. Across India, the deaths are, 54% are, cyclists, people driving 2 and 3 wheelers. So 54% is quite a high number, So sometimes it may not be the fault of the cyclist or the driver of the 2 wheelers. It may be the fault of, the other driver. It may also be technical faults, design faults in roads and all that. Whatever it is, they say that chances of being in a road accident is much higher than chances of being in a plane crash. Okay, so we all are really scared of flying, but statistics show that yes, being on the road is equally, in fact, more dangerous. This in spite of the fact that Supreme Court has very specific directions for all the state governments to bring down road accidents. They were saying that there are committees, I don't know if there are state level committees, but there are also district level committees, and I hope these committees are in place to monitor these cases of road safety and road accidents and all that. And this central accident database management system could not have come at a very right time. I think here a few states were lagging behind, but I think with the launching of this project, I think we should be able to see be at par with other states. And I've seen the presentation. I've also sat in one of the state level meetings where this project will help in analyzing, the causes of crashes. Not just, people. It's not just, the fault of the driver. Like I said, it can be, technical fault. So it analyze the cause of the crash. It'll analyze whether the road designs is okay. And I'm told that 3 or 4 years ago, there was an exercise to identify black spots. These are, probably roads where there's some issue about technical or alignment and all that. So, but even with these, maybe probably less than 1,000 black spots have so far been identified, but rectifying them has been very slow. I don't have the correct figure of whether all these identified spots have been rectified. But if we want to see that accidents are reduced, we have to do this. It's not just a human error; it's also a technical error. So, Meghalaya, I think, should also start identifying these kind of cases where, because of alignment issues and all that, there are frequent accidents. I think more than this, there also should be a campaign and awareness program for people, youth. Don't drive and drink. Or don't drink and drive, rather. Don't speak on the mobile while drinking. Don't play your music too loud, while like I said, most of these deaths are also speeding deaths. So, and I don't have statistics of the age group of these deaths, but young people should be more aware. Know your traffic signs. When you go for your driving license, there's a board in the DTO's office or the RTO's office, which shows those traffic signals, traffic signs. How many of us really know? There are quite a number. I don't know how many of us really know, our traffic signs. So these are the few things that we should do, and I hope that this project will go live immediately after this, and it will help, the police. It will help, on the spot documentation of, these accidents. And nothing will succeed unless all the stakeholders are involved. So if I look at this, you also need immediately after an accident, besides the police, you also have to have your police and the health officials, doctors, paramedics. You also need your field people to be there and document the incident. That's the only way then we can go about making this project successful.